Hey, Dr. Shakib here from Irvine Spinal Wellness Center, your Irvine Posture and Wellness Clinic. This exercise is absolutely fantastic if it's done right, and it's so damaging when it's done wrong. It's great for your neck, your mid-back, lower back, and shoulder stabilizers. So stay tuned. All right, plank push-up. I don't know if you've heard about it, but a lot of times people do plank push-ups for, it's usually guys, and they really want to get those fingers of the serratus anterior or serratus muscles. You know, when you lift the arm up and you can see those bands of muscles here, they really just want to do it for the looks. So they do what's called plank push-ups, which is a push-up. It's like a plank, like that, and then they do this and hold. I like plank push-ups because when it's done right and not gone through the pushing up, like curving your body up, it actually strengthens a lot of different muscles when it's done right and the posture is correct. So how long would you do this? And I'm going to show you what are the requirements. How long do you do it? As long as you can maintain the criteria that is needed in place. If that's 2 seconds, then that's 2 seconds. If it's 1 minute, then yours is 1 minute. No one gets a prize in how long they can do it. The prize goes to the one who can hold the pose for the whole duration of it. So what you want to do is you're going to go on your hands and your elbows like that, and you really start by not looking down like that. You're going to glide your neck up. So you see how my neck and the torso, the mid-back spine, are about the same line. That's what you want to be. You want to have your elbows just under your shoulders, and mine are a little bit out, so I'm going to bring it in a little. Keep it nice and flat. I'm going to engage my barrel. There is a whole video under postural neurology, under functional movement playlist. You can check it out to learn more what I mean by engaging your barrel. And you're going to do that, and you're going to go on your toes and hold this up. Recheck the position. Hold it up and push into the ground a little bit more versus not. It's not easy to do. It's definitely harder when I talk and do that. But what you want to do is really, it's not going to curve up your back like I was showing, like this thing. It's not that, but it's pushing into the ground, so you're lifting, you're engaging your triceps more by pushing into the ground. So you're lifting this part of your body away from the ball inside the socket. So if this is the ball, which is this bone sitting inside the socket of my shoulder blade, by pressing down into my elbow a little bit more, I'm lifting myself up a little bit, not because I'm curving myself, but because I'm engaging my triceps. Triceps is that one muscle that unfortunately most people, it's very weak. That does not mean you can go to the gym and do tricep exercise and you can only do 2 pounds. You can actually do a lot. The issue with triceps is it hardly gets to speak throughout the day. So it never really, in conjunction with other parts of the body, it doesn't really engage as much. So this exercise, holding the pose correctly, forces the triceps to learn how to play with all the other guys and gals. I hope I'm making sense. Movement is a concert, not just one musician. Keep that in mind. When you isolate an area and start practicing it, you're not really improving your movement, because that's kind of like a pianist exercising more, practicing more how to play his or her own role. That does not assure proper concert. Keep that in mind. That's the mistake we're making in treatment of musculoskeletal issues. If you have any questions, make sure you contact me. All the information's in the description box. And thank you for watching. Take care.